Welcome to the top best. The best Aqua Blade Squeegee is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in maintaining a spotless home, and today we're diving deep into whether this particular model lives up to the hype, offering a streak-free shine that could revolutionize your cleaning routine and save you precious time and effort. Number 5. Hiware All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. Meet the ultimate cleaning tool for your home. It's designed to tackle multiple surfaces, making cleaning effortless. Tired of soap scum and water spots? This squeegee effortlessly removes buildup, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Its wide rubber blade and ergonomic handle ensure a comfortable grip and efficient cleaning. Experience smooth, streak-free swipes every time. Keep it handy with the included waterproof hooks. Quick access means faster cleaning whenever you need it. From your shower doors to car windows, this squeegee works wonders on all your hard surfaces, inside and out. What we like? This squeegee is designed for ultimate versatility, tackling everything from shower doors to car windows. Its wide blade ensures a streak-free finish every time. If you're looking for a single tool to handle all your cleaning needs, this is the one for you. It's perfect for busy households that want efficiency and a sparkling clean. What people say? The squeegee is very effective at removing water from surfaces, leaving them streak-free. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The durable silicone blade is long-lasting and doesn't easily wear out. Number 4. Docrok All-Purpose Stainless Steel Shower Squeegee. Tired of water spots and soap scum? This squeegee effortlessly removes water and buildup from your shower doors and other surfaces. Achieve a sparkling clean with just a few wipes, leaving no streaks or squeaks behind. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel and a premium silicone blade, this tool is built for durability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip for efficient cleaning with minimal effort. This versatile squeegee isn't just for shower doors. It's perfect for windows, mirrors, tiles, car windshields, and any smooth surface. It's the essential cleaning tool for both inside and outside your home. Cleaning becomes a breeze with this squeegee. It comes with adhesive hooks, allowing you to conveniently hang it on any smooth surface for quick access whenever you need it. Experience a new level of clean with this essential household tool. It makes keeping your glass doors, mirrors, and windows spotless incredibly simple and fast. What we like? Crafted from durable stainless steel with a premium silicone blade, this squeegee is built to last. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip for efficient cleaning. If you value longevity and a comfortable cleaning experience, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want a reliable tool for daily household tasks. What people say? This squeegee does the trick. It cleans very well, no streaks. It's also weighted nicely, doesn't feel flimsy. It also looks very elegant high-end. This stainless steel shower squeegee is sturdy and works great on glass doors and mirrors. The 10-inch size is perfect, and it removes water without leaving streaks. I also love the 2 adhesive hooks, easy to install and very convenient. The stainless steel design looks modern and sturdy, and the 2 adhesive hooks are very convenient for keeping everything organized. It works perfectly on shower glass doors, mirrors, and windows, leaving surfaces clean and streak-free. The rubber blade glides smoothly and does a great job. Number 3. One Pass Classic 12 Waterblade Silicone T-Bar Squeegee Purple. Introducing the One Pass Classic Waterblade. Its flexible silicone blade effortlessly conforms to any surface for a streak-free shine. Crafted with a medical-grade silicone blade, it's designed to be gentle and will not scratch your surfaces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, making cleaning tasks easier. This squeegee is built for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance for all your cleaning needs. Made with quality in mind, it's the perfect tool for achieving a spotless finish every time. What we like? Featuring a flexible silicone blade that molds to surfaces and a soft edge handle, this squeegee guarantees a scratch-free clean. If you have delicate surfaces or are concerned about damage, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for users who prioritize surface protection while achieving a great clean. What people say? High-quality water blade and work well at removing water from car's surface. The silicone is very soft, which allows it to contour to the car window for a good swipe. This silicone scraper does a great job of swiping water off glass and tile in our shower. It has a nice wide scraping surface that is quite flexible. Number 2. ITTAR Rotatable Window Cleaning Kit. Introducing the ITTAR Rotatable Window Cleaning Kit, designed for a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces. This versatile tool makes cleaning windows, shower doors, and even car glass a breeze. Equipped with a high-quality rubber squeegee and 2 absorbent microfiber pads, it effectively removes dirt and leaves no marks. The durable materials ensure long-lasting performance for all your cleaning needs. Its unique rotatable head, with 7 adjustable angles, allows you to easily reach every corner and curved edge. This feature makes cleaning even the most unusually shaped windows simple and efficient. The kit includes an extendable pole, allowing you to customize the length for different cleaning tasks. Reach high windows or clean truck glass with ease thanks to its adjustable design. Assembly is as simple as screwing the pole sections together. The microfiber pads are detachable and machine washable, making cleanup and storage incredibly convenient. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the extension pole offers a perfect balance of strength and lightness. It's built to withstand frequent use and make cleaning high windows effortless. This cleaning kit is perfect for a wide range of applications, including windows, mirrors, shower doors, car glass, and even solar panels. It's your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home and vehicle. What we like. This kit offers a unique rotatable head and an extension pole, allowing you to reach high and awkward areas with ease. It also includes a microfiber scrubber for enhanced cleaning power. If you need to clean high windows, large surfaces, or oddly shaped areas, this is the tool you've been looking for. It's perfect for tackling challenging cleaning jobs. What people say. The squeegee is very effective at removing water from surfaces, leaving them streak-free. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. The durable silicone blade is long-lasting and doesn't scratch surfaces. Number 1. OXO Good Grips All-Purpose Squeegee. Achieve a spotless finish every time. Its durable, flexible blade ensures fast, streak-free drying on any surface. This tool is designed with a slim profile and lightweight construction for comfortable handling. The soft, non-slip handle provides a secure grip. Keep it handy and out of the way with the included suction hook. It offers easy and convenient storage when not in use. Perfect for a variety of tasks, it works wonders on mirrors, shower doors, car windows, and more. It comes with a PVC-free suction cup, making it an environmentally conscious choice for your cleaning needs. What we like. With its slim profile and non-slip handle, this squeegee offers comfortable and efficient cleaning. The included suction hook makes storage a breeze. If you appreciate a sleek design and convenient storage solutions, this is a great option. It's ideal for smaller spaces or for those who like to keep their cleaning tools neatly organized. What people say. The squeegee is very effective at removing water from surfaces. Its design allows for easy maneuverability around tight corners and edges. The blade is made of durable silicone that doesn't scratch surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.